Hi guys, this is Jacob Zoook back again with another unboxing. And today I have an unboxing of Zoook Rocker RDX01 over-the-air headphones, wired headphones. This came from Snapdeal. Alright, so without further ado, let's open this package. Let me keep my voice aside. This is the box. Right. Just wait a sec. Alright. Nothing else. Here we have the box. Zoook Music on a CM Rocker RDX01. Here's some tech specs. You can just pause the video and just look at it. Zoook extra bass DJ headphone with mic. Alright. Okay. Another Zoook warranty card. Nothing else. Let's get it. Nice looking cable with control talk. And here we have the headphones. Zoook here we have some padding to it. Rocker RDX. Adjustable strap. Alright, so let me do a quick sound check with this headphone. Right, so let me do a quick sound check. Volume is at max. Let me quickly try this on. Wow, the sound quality is awesome. Right guys, so this was the quick unboxing and sound check of this Zook RDX01 headphone. So if you guys like the video, please do hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Eyes in the sky.